Snake ba?
Oh.
B9.
Meron.
G46. G46.
Bingo!
G48. G48.
Sino yun? Sino yun?
Bitin.
B10.
Bitin.
I23.
Well done.
I23.
Dikit na siya.
I6.
Oh.
G57. O61. O61. I19. I19. B5. B5. N32. N32.
Alam niyo, ako ay...
Sarap! Halo-halo. Halo-halo na, may ice cream pa.
Ang baso sa...
Oo, mo bababasat.
Mababaso.
Ice platter nila.
Dala nila Ate Lina. Dala sila halo-halo.
Ano to? Kasama ko.
B8. B8. G48. G48. I17. I17. G52. G52.
What's yours?
G59.
12?
G59.
Wait, no, okay. Outside. Ah!
471. 471.
Daddy, that's big. I love you. What is it?
N31.
I want to buy
N31.
Oy, yan anak mo Jerome ha. Pumasok kwarto, baka malaglag.
261. 261.
I'm buying it. Ay, pangalan ako.
A27.
Let's
A27.
What's your experience with children?
Children? You want to know? Ulit again.
What is your experience with children?
What is my experience with other children?
With other kids.
With other kids? Who kids?
Like,
Other kids? Ha? Isang may kaming nakakaisip na napakaisip. Hindi ba pwede Tagalog? Tagalog? You don't know how to speak Tagalog? A little.
Bagsak na main. Ano ko itong sa'yo ko eh. Bagsak.
Alam mo kung saan nila ko yan? Sa daddy niya. Kasi yung daddy nito. Kasi nag-interview daddy niya pag na Tagalog. Hindi nila pinapansin. Di ba? Parang sila nag-daddy niya.
Wala ko pa sa kanina sila.
To answer your question. Okay, very simple.
simple question.
Okay, yes, I'm simple answer.
No one can answer. No one can hear.
Only
Okay,
you.
okay.
Only you.
Only me?
Yes. It's
Thank
very
you.
simple.
It's okay?
No.
The color of red? R-E-D.
No, I'm not saying it.
Okay, go.
What house was Harry Potter sorted in?
What?
What house was Harry Potter sorted
Uy, alam ko
in?
yan!
Harry?
She's so mabilis! Hurry! Hurry! Hurry!
Harry
Where's the
Potter!
batter?
Harry Potter!
Ah, kala ko where's the batter? Kamantikilya, yun ang mantikilya.
They don't eat her.
Yeah.
Di ba Gryffindor?
No.
Oh, see?
Give me a very difficult, okay? It's so easy. Hasta la vista, baby.
Si Calvin naman natin.
Okay.
Alvin.
Diyan ka lang. Wala pa man.
Hindi naman ako translator mo eh.
Huwag ka naman ganyan.
Ako yung translator mo eh. Kaya nga ako nandito eh.
Itong translator ng bubo yun eh. Hindi alam mo kung sasabihin. Okay, go.
Oh, ask. Oh, sexy ako dito.
Saan ba kulay galing dito ng manggaling?
It's the most simplest thing in the
Ako,
world.
ako.
In a tree.
Hindi.
In a leaves.
Lake.
Saan ba? Kita mo?
Napag-Tagalog ko eh.
In a tree, in a seed.
Calvin, magtaas ka sa tingin ka.
Wait! Wait!
Cola friend, cola friend. Cola friend, cola friend. Cola friend.
You know what? Sa kinain! Hindi mo lang iniigis ang puno.
What did you ask?
No one, no one.
My friend! My friends, you can see my friend.
Oh, I call a friend.
No! It's a Momo.
Momo. Momo, it's the scary guy with the mask.
Yeah, that's not it.
Okay, other question, other
You're
question.
cheated.
No.
Job interview to
Yes!
Isipin mo na.
Kilala mo si Romeo and Juliet, yung may mahabang buhok. Go.
Rapunzel nga yun.
No, it's Hansel.
Hansel and Gretel.
No, nag-dismit.
Crackers nga yun.
It's sale now if you're good. Gusto mo na. Boy, daw. Tumayo ka sa may bow. Tapos.
Tapos, magbaw ka lang, tapos ka na.
Ang tanga mo, Calvin.
Okay, you can't even understand me.
No. I understand you.
Okay.
You know, ano ba yun?
How old are you then?
Ilang taong ka na?
Translator. Ilan? Kung ka na. 36.
See, he knows.
Okay, don't help me, okay?
Okay.
What's your name?
Complete name.
Dan Paolo Divina.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. There's a middle name. Balagtas Divina.
Wow.
Ano kapir? Ang tanga.
You ask more questions. The client wants more questions. Will be
Where do flamingos get their color from?
Okay. It's yellow. Ha? You know why?
Paano where?
Pink.
No, not where. Where do they get their colors?
Ah, you know why? You don't know where?
No, I don't.
Oh, why you asking me? You know naman pala.
Yeah, I'm asking you. Answer me.
Sabi mo sa national ko na bili.
Ulit. Sabi mo kasi sa Tagalog.
Saan galing ang mga Pilipino?
Saan galing ang mga mga?
Oh, is Kuya Eron's translation correct?
No.
Oo.
How will you translate it in Filipino?
Oo. Ano ba tanong niya kay Dilly?
Saan galing ang mga malalaking ibon?
No.
Na
Where
kulay
does the
pink.
color of flamingo came from?
Wait! It's a 7 colors. In Crayola. In Crayola.
Oh, 36.
No, they're joking. They're just joking.
Okay, what's the real answer?
Oh! Sigot tanga.
Punta agad kay Calvin. Punta agad kay Calvin. Ah!
Oh, medyo mali yun ah. Sige, magbibigyan kita. 7 plus 7.
7-Eleven.
Oh! Ang galing!
7-Eleven.
It's 7 up.
No.
7-Eleven.
8 plus 8. No. It's batok. 9 plus 9. 10 plus 10. No, it's Jepoy turn.
Alam mo, kasi niya natutunan.
Tingin si Boss.
Who did you learn it from?
Oh!
Ay, wow.
Now we know. Because Ellie and Dos, their father is Noy Noy, the Abnoy. Right?
You know that? Noy Noy is Abnoy.
Now we know.
Noy Noy is studying in AB Normal. You know AB Normal?
When you read it together, it's AB and normal. It's ab and normal.
Oh, you think about it.
Noy Noy is a magna cum laude in AB Normal. You know that?
Magna cum laude.
Wala.
He is Suma.
If Noy Noy is a cum laude, I am the principal. Ano?
Then what is she?
Huwag kang tanga, what is he? Hindi she, ha?
What's yours?
G59.
12?
G59.
I don't know too. Okay, outside. Ah!
071. 071.
Daddy, this thing. I love it. What is it?
M31.
I want to buy it.
M31.
Oy, yan anak mo dyan, ha? Pumasok kwarto, baka malaglag.
061. 061.
Ay, pakanda ako.
M27.
Let's
M27.
Gusto pa niya palisin yung RSD.
Tapos, ano mo, ang paborito nito? Parang pamana.
ba yan? Bes! Wala ka lang kasi Boracay.
Wala kay sumayaw, sabi mo.
Mas maganda kung siya pa yung kumakanta ng party. Ano eksena si Mama, sa mga bata lang sumasayaw. Andito.
Ang galing.
Dali, run lang, Lisa.
All you gotta do is
Mag-request ka na kanta.
Yay! More! More, more!
No, no.
Ma, nasa tono si Trey, no? Buti na lang. Yay!
Okay.
Ay! Girlfriend! Jingle! Namamas ko na! Hey! Ay, galing! Oh, more! You sing! Galing, no?
Eat the mic. Eat the mic.
Why?
Oh, sorry. Ay, alam mo na may
Ang galing! Ay! Stop you! Stop you! Stop!
Ang galing.
Ang galing!
Okay, Old McDonald.
Ice cream, makda. Hindi siya makda. Hindi kayo sing. I'll buy you makda.
Old McDonald.
Pasok niyo doon sa school ni Aina.
Kaya ano ka yan?
Ang daming nga tututuro. Hindi lang makda. Marunong mag... Ano yan?
Nakakapasaya natin yan. Ali, Trey.
Hi, Trey.
Si David. Guardian ko din. Guardian ko eh.
Ano ba yung naman?
Ay, wala.
Ano? Tuna?
Crispy tuna.
Hi, Jenna. Sige na.
Oo, sige po lang. Say hi! Hi! Trey! Trey!
Experience with children.
Children? You want to know? Ulit again.
What is your experience with children?
What is my experience with other children?
With other kids?
With other kids? Who kids?
Like,
Other kids.
Sumasakit yung ulo sa'yo.
Is that listening? Nakakaisip eh.